guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope the wind is not too bad. I try to find a secluded area here for the trees. See, the road is back there. So today I was out riding my Honda VTX, which is back there, and I figured I'd give you guys a quick review of it. I guess first off, I know SRK Cycles did a review and they do very well with them. So this is a 2007 Honda VTX. It's got right at 26,000 miles on it. I've had it now for about 6 months and about 5,000 miles. So here are some things that I like about it. They're cheap, they're comfortable, they're reliable, almost maintenance free, and they actually feel surprisingly light. I think these from the factory come at a little over 700 pounds and get surprisingly good fuel mileage for a 1300cc motor. They're not the most powerful. I think they have right at 60 horsepower with 70 foot-pounds of torque. The new VTXs, the fuel-injected versions they put in the Furies, actually have 10 less horsepower than these older ones do. These older carbureted ones do. So that's just something to keep in mind. Now, this one is all stock except for the exhaust, which I believe is aftermarket. Now, all that being said, here's some things I do not like about it. First off, they don't look the best. And also the switches on it are made very cheaply. Glitch sometimes, or the signal lights won't come on, or the kill switch won't turn off. And they also fade where you can't see the emblems, which it's not a big deal in the grand scheme of things, but it's still something that you have to consider when you buy them. And secondly, just kind of a personal taste, I think they have way too much chrome on them. I like the blacked out look better, or at least not as much chrome. Now that being said, personally I think all around it's a good bike for the money. I paid under $2,000 for this one. It needed some work done to it, but other than that, you can get a great reliable cruiser for a little over $2,000 and just go crush some highway miles. It's a beautiful fall morning. As you can tell, leaves are falling. It's about 70 degrees. It's cloudy, but perfect riding weather. So let's go for a ride.